Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can downgrade to older NVIDIA drivers. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search, go to device manager. Then here you will find a display adapters here, your GPU, right click on it and go to properties, drivers, and then rollback driver. If this option is grayed out for you, look what date your driver is installed. For me, as you can see here, is June 24th. So we need to look for older basically drivers. So what you need to do here is to open up browser, and then you just need to write NVIDIA drivers. All right, download official NVIDIA drivers. Then you just need to select basically write your GPU. For me, it's GeForce 30 series, and then let's look for 37 for me, and then find. Then we just need to look what drivers they offer. So these drivers is the newest one probably, and then other drivers here, view more versions. So drivers that I installed is probably these ones. So if I want to roll back, I need to older ones. So let's select on May, right? Press view. Then you just need to press download, then save it to your computer. And once you got the file, you just need to press OK and just install your drivers here. So yeah, that's basically it.